The 19th Asian Games kicked off in China's Hangzhou on Saturday, with the opening ceremony drawing global attention. Videos of the Kuwaiti delegation parading into the Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center Stadium during the opening ceremony went viral on Chinese social media.
Everybody recognizing us because of that ceremony.
We are now famous in Hangzhou.
We were participating there. And
they made a video of us. We were 3 girls in dresses, so they called us Charlie's Angels. Yes? So maybe we will come back and become famous models in China. First of all, the organization is amazing. I love the holographic lights with the name of the country. Just the dancers, all of the small details, it made it also special.
For me, it's the first time I participate in this big, huge event. And it was really like shivering. It was, I'm speechless. It was that much.
Since we arrived, it's every day we go to the Fuyang Water Center because we are rowers. And then back to the village. The environment was so lively and the people were so welcoming and interested. So a lot of people will ask, can we take a photo? So we felt very special, very welcome. I will definitely come back because everything here is so well organized, very clean, very interesting.